Hey guys, I just found another chainsaw to go with these several others. It's David Bradley. Talk about big, dude. It ain't that heavy, I don't think, anyways. But it's you know that. But we got a couple of home lights, like bigger home lights, and it's nothing compared to this. This thing is royally huge. Like, look at the cylinder on the thing. This thing's crazy big. And I've not really had it, but I've just finally getting around to cleaning the carb out and stuff on it, trying to get the dust off. But this thing is just huge. Look at the teeth on it. How big the teeth are, and I got I think, fairly big hand. And on that space right there, that almost covers the whole up all the way. This thing is huge. It's the biggest thing I'll ever mess with. Huge carburetor on it too. Hopefully, it don't take much to get running. Hopefully. That one, I gotta this clean carburetor real good. All the diaphragms are good, so hopefully that one will bust off. And that one right there, it's the diaphragms in it are toast. I gotta get a carpet for it. Hopefully the diaphragm, but this one will sharp up the chain a little bit. Oh, it looks kind of sharp. It probably does for chunks of wood. Yeah, this thing is beast, dude. That's real. But yep, Aspen Saw, Dave Bradley. Wow.